In today's video, I'm sharing with you best-selling Udemy courses, those most popular online courses across all categories. Okay, so I've actually done this, put all together all the top popular courses like Microsoft, Excel, Python, AI, Azure, uh, quite a lot of courses. Okay, yeah, Power BI. From thing from engineering as well in terms of ChatGPT, how to do prompting well and all these things. Okay, Oracle as well. Quite a lot of all these are top rating courses. Okay. I'm going to put all this into the description link for you guys to go through. Okay. Many courses, AI, community manager, linking as well. Linking SQL, PMP, Huawei, Cisco, Python, Azure, Google Cloud, Cisco. Okay, anyway, all these things you guys can go through quite a lot. Okay, put them over here, all here, and you can just view all of them. You want to view second page, third page until all the 10 page. Each page has more than 100 courses, so it's like more than 1,000 courses. Okay, for you guys to go through. Okay, Linux as well. Azure data analytics. Okay, just want to share with you guys. Just go to my link and then you guys can check it out. Maybe I'll just go to one of the link to check out maybe the first page. Okay, let's go to one of this. Oh, this one no longer accepting enrollment. Let me try this. Okay. Hmm. Okay, this looks popular. Okay. Ethics test, AI business professional. Okay, Python masterclass as well. Yeah, so you go. You guys can just go through and see more details about each course. Oh, the courses, Udemy may just remove, but uh, yeah. Anyway, you guys go and check it out. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.